I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch SE GPS. First, let's get you set up. Begin by pairing your watch with your iPhone using the dedicated Watch app. This process is straightforward and takes just a few moments. Once paired, you can personalize your watch face and arrange your apps exactly how you like them. Familiarize yourself with the digital crown for scrolling and the side button for accessing your dock and Apple Pay. It's all about making it yours. Now, let's dive into the powerful GPS features. Your Apple Watch SE is excellent for tracking outdoor activities. Whether you're running, cycling, or simply walking, it accurately records your route, distance, and pace without needing your iPhone nearby. You can see these metrics in real time right on your wrist. The Activity app then compiles all your movement, exercise, and stand goals, helping you stay motivated to close those 3 rings every day. Beyond fitness, your Apple Watch SE keeps you connected. You'll receive all your important notifications directly on your wrist, allowing you to quickly glance and respond. Built-in apps like Messages, Mail, and Calendar make it easy to stay on top of your communications and schedule. And don't forget the App Store, where you can discover and download countless other applications to enhance your watch's capabilities, from productivity tools to entertainment. Finally, your Apple Watch SE is a powerful health and safety companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, providing valuable insights into your cardiovascular health and workout intensity. Features like fall detection and emergency SOS offer peace of mind, automatically alerting contacts or emergency services if needed. Plus, you can track your sleep patterns for better rest and even get helpful reminders to wash your hands for 20 seconds, promoting good hygiene.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.